Hey guys, so thank you for clicking on this video, and I hope you do enjoy it. But before that, I'd like to invite you to subscribe to my channel. If you do like this video, I have many more to come, so definitely subscribe to my channel and look forward to more content as I go through fitness, technology, and all the other stuff that I do like. So thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy the video. Hey guys, so welcome to my channel, and today we're going to be unboxing this package that I got from the UK. It's a watch, and it's from longislandwatch. So it's one of the Orient Mako's ones, so I'll just get this out. It's really packaged really well. This came in about, I think, 14 business days or so about 2 weeks, which was pretty fast. And there's tracking as well, so at the bottom, I'm not sure what I got. I think it's just a invoice and more protective packaging. So I'll just remove that, and then we'll kind of there we go. So as you can see, it's an Orient one, and just adjust the brightness as well to make it look nicer. So this is a small packaging, and I've got the invoice as well, which we don't really need. Okay, so let's actually get this open. So basically we've got this, and we're going to just take it out. It's in a nice good box, so it's really white as well. I'll slowly take it out because I don't want to tear the cardboard. And here we go. Wow, this looks really premium. This is kind of why I bought it as well. And so you've got the white box in here, but that box, honestly, like, it's kind of like, this watch kind of reminds me of the Rolex watches, but the price that I got it at was actually much cheaper. So we've got like a just a manual here, and I got this for about 250 Aussie dollars, including postage as well. Postage is pretty good at flat rate. So let's actually open this. Oh wow! So this one is the Mako. I think it's in Orient Mako. It's the blue dial one. So let's zoom in to actually see it. So it comes in a box that is much like what you would get for jewelry and all that. So you can see that's like really nice, and it comes with a cushion as well. So let's actually get this out, and if you put it on its cushion, I'll actually show you what it looks like close up. So as you can see the dial is like blue. It's like a more darkish blue, I think. Not really a light blue. And then you've got the markings as well. I got this because I wanted to have the markings at 12, 9 and 6, and also to all other hours. There's another I think Orient Mako Ray that is a bit different, which I didn't really want to get. I wanted to have the numerals, so the proper numbers. But I think there's an option where you can get the Roman numerals as well. So let's actually take this out, and I'll show you what it looks like on the other side too, and all around. So this is just a replacement watch because one of my other watches stopped working. So we've got the tag there as well. So there we go. And we've got a stainless steel bracelet there too. It's really nice quality, and it's a bit like, it's hefty, but you know it's like good quality. And so it's kind of the back. So that's all nice. Looks well done. And then we've got back there, if you can see. So that sticker as well, so make sure. And then the actual crown where you adjust everything, it's just there. So that is the watch. It's a great quality mechanical watch for the price. Especially if you can't afford a Rolex. This is as close to, I think, as close as you can get to an actual like Rolex style without paying a huge price. But it's still, yeah, it's still a really nice watch. And apparently it is a dive watch, but you can't, like, you can go light swing with it, but I wouldn't go deep diving. Obviously you need to get proper dive watches for that, with the ISO proper rating to do that. So yeah, it's pretty nice. So I guess thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this unboxing sort of review as well. So I think this one's like definitely up there, 8 out of 10 or more, especially for the price that you're paying as well. So, and definitely the packaging's really nice too. So again, if you like this video, please give it a like, get it in progress, and also subscribe for more content like this. I've got still some stuff to unbox as well, and I'll leave in a link in the description where you can actually get this watch too. Alright, see you guys.